Friends, this is not a real succulent. I made this and I am going to show you step by step how you can make this at home. So let's begin. So basically the base I already have, and I have taken air dry clay, black and brown color as you see in the video, and I'm mixing it together to give me that fertilizer kind of look that I need for the base of my succulent. So once I am done, I'll just roll it into a ball shape, and then I'll simply flatten up that shape in my pot which I will be using for the succulent plant. See, that's it. You just spread it across in this way nicely so that the base of it is nice and smooth, and once it's smoothened out, we will work on our plant making. So here I have taken yellow and blue color and I will be mixing it. Now the reason is I do have a green color, but the one that I want is not exactly of the match of color. This will give me the exact green color that I need the succulent plant to look like. Mix it in very nicely. That's it. And can you see how well the green color has turned? Yes, this is exactly the green color that we need for our plant. Nice, right? So now it's time to start working on each of these leaves. So for that we will start forming tiny balls, like a little bigger shaped ones. So I will make 6 of them for the outer part of the succulent. So just, it shouldn't be exactly the same size, so even if it is a little less or something, the ball one is a little fatter or thicker than the other, it's completely fine. Then we begin by pinching the corner portion in this way that you see. You know, you need that teardrop kind of shape. So I tried attaching one, but it was small, so I made another leaf, and then you have to just bend it in that shape. So I'll just show you how it looks there. See, and then simultaneously we'll start working on the remaining part of the leaves. So as and when you finish your leaves, like on the outer side we will require longer leaves, but as you go on the inner side, the leaves need to start becoming shorter. So the outer part is easy, but at the same time, to shape it up you might need to give it some time. It happens quickly comparatively to the smaller leaves. The bigger ones happen quickly, but you need to just be patient. Now the thing with air dry clay is once you stick it, you know, it's a little difficult to remove it off. You'll see that the portion sticks to the clay as well. So as far possible, try to finish up that leaf, and then only once you're satisfied with the look, you stick it to the base. So that's it. Roll, pinch up one side like this to form the teardrop. At the same time, press the bottom area, and once you are satisfied with the shape, just place it in the pot. That's it. Those of y'all who think that this is very difficult, let me tell you, I myself have tried this for the first time and it is super easy to make it. Process is quite simple. Roll it into the ball, pinch the ball from one side to be pointed, and then press it at the bottom in this way so that you have a teardrop shape, and then go on flattening it and at the same time give it a bend. so that it stays in your pot in that way. Okay, so this had to be a little bigger. There, and we are done. That's it. We needed 5 petals on the outside, so I have managed with 5 as of now. So in case if I feel more is required, I will add at the end of my completion of the succulent plant. So I am forming the middle row, middle area, where I have added 4 petals or leaves, and then we work in the innermost side. So the clay starts becoming lesser and lesser as you work on the inner side. Keep this in mind. You do not have to take the same amount of clay as you did when you started on the outer portion of the leaf or the petal. Now see, the inner side, as you can see, I'm giving it a bend with my finger. You can do the same for the outer ones, but trust me, the shape will not turn out that good. So for the inner side, if you give it a bend with your finger, it looks good. And finally our succulent is ready. Now the middle portion I felt is a little too rough like, so just to flatten it up, I am going to take the tool and water and just flatten up the area, not too much because it needs to look natural at the same time. So just give it a good shape, and that's it. It's done. Now I have this marker that I have taken, the acrylic marker. I have taken the purple color one, and I'm simply just going to start drawing lines at the ends. Now most of them add blush at the ends with the brush or something, but I felt we need to do something different. So I have taken the sketch, the acrylic marker, and have started painting the ends. See, in this way. You can do this with paints as well, but you will not get this kind of effect. You might need a lighter shade or a pinkish purple light shade to give this effect. And that's it. It's looking so cute already. Trust me, when this was over, I was so happy with the way it actually turned out. I didn't expect it to be this perfect in my first time itself. So friends, do give it a try. It's a worth it kind of shot, and let me know in the comments how did y'all like this. Friends, in case if y'all are new, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more of such interesting videos.